Here we have a 2023 Range Rover Sport. I'm going to show you guys how to take the door panel off. Especially if you're tinting this car, you should take the door panel off to do it properly. So I hope this helps you out. So with these doors, the fabric's very sensitive. You don't want to damage it. The first thing you want to do is if you come over here, you want to remove this. This is all one piece. You can just fit your pry tool right there. Softly get it in there without hurting the fabric. If you do a little twist, it should just clip. That comes right off. First step. Now you have 3 screws here that you want to remove. They use a T27 to remove. 1, 2, and 3. That's good for that. Yeah. This one you want, come here. Yeah. This one's a little harder though. Ready? Filming? Yeah. Oh, okay. Next thing you want to do, you want to remove this. This I don't want to use a pry tool because you might hurt it. Best thing to do is just grip it with your fingers. Give it a little kind of a twist. It kind of comes right off. That's the first time it's been removed, so it's pretty simple. And then you have one more screw right here. Oh, wrong one. So that's number 4. Your last one is right at the bottom, right over here. And that one is a T20, I believe. Yeah, T20. That one is already removed. Next thing you want to do is get a pry tool, pop it in one of these sides, just give it a little twist, clip, unclips. Once you get one clip off, the rest are all kind of easy. Take it off. The speaker's a little difficult to get around, so what you want to do is you want to twist it, lift the right side. Lift the right side up and kind of wedge that side out. And there you go. That easy. This one's a little convenient. There's a little lip here. You can kind of just rest the door panel right there and it won't fall on you. It's kind of like in there pretty solid. And you should get around it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what car you want to see next.